Okay, so some of the most recent innovation that we have introduced in the market has been everything related to denim industry. So we have dedicated machines which are highly focused into denim processing and cutting, and obviously spreading. So all our machines in terms of spreading are designed to manage very heavy loads for very long time on multiple shifts. In the same way, our new denim technology is designed for a very high output with the highest quality as our main target. Obviously, we focus target quality before performances, but obviously our performances as of today are amongst the highest in the market. We achieved it through a lot of innovation that we have done in several industries. Alongside garments, we are very active in composites, aeronautics, nautical industry. From that, the evolution of heavy-duty processing brought us to deliver to the market a machine which is almost maintenance-free throughout the year, in a sense that the entire machine is designed to work on very heavy-duty regime on multiple shifts with the minimum amount of stop time required for maintenance and process. This is what we introduced more recently to the market. On top of that, we have the entire range to cover knits, delicate fabrics, intimates, sportswear, everything related also to whatever is very much trending in Bangladesh recently, which is sportswear and activewear. Well, in terms of response, last year I believe that it was a very difficult year for the country itself. You came through a very hard time, and I believe the industry already recovered a lot, and we can see it already from the market response and from the exhibitors' response, which are all working with very long forecast for the production of the entire year in hand. So what is your hope for the future?
So the future actually for Bangladesh garment industry, we hope it will be grow by day more. And AFK with the technical support, with the Texel, they will make a very good future market here. And actually FK and Texel, I would like to say that we are all together for customer side only. We want to their development so that we grow together. That's all. Thank you to Bagma Communications. Thank you.